Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. This is the second video in the Google Suite framework on how to build Google Sites. 1.2, name your site. If you want to know how to create your site, you need to go to the previous video. And if you want to select a layout, that's 1.3 in the next video. Let's jump in. So the first thing that we need to do is we actually need to name our site. As we stated in 1.1, is Google will save your Google site in Drive. So we're going to call this Google Site Tutorials. I'm actually going to publish this site out into the world with all of the tutorials that we're creating right now that you're in. This is called the site document name. So we want to enter a unique name to keep track of our site. This is only visible to us or you, the creator. Next, what we want to do is give our site a class name here, or a site name. And I'm going to name it the same thing, just so everybody that comes here knows exactly what this is. I'm looking at two different things. You might want to call it Mr. Campbell's class, or Mrs. Johnson's class, or English 9 class, whatever you want to call it. You can name it whatever you want. You can also add a logo here. We'll get into that a little bit later. The next thing that we want to do is we want to add a page title. And this could be something here. It's in the middle, depending on your template and how you use that template. So again, we have the site document name, which is only showed to you. We have the Google site name. Then we have our page title here. And we're going to be able to go through and change all this stuff here, but we're just going one step at a time, editing this information. In the next video, we're going to select a layout. And the layout is the way that your site looks, the fonts, the colors, the shapes, the different sections. So again, if you're here, it's because you're an educator. I appreciate you, I love you, and I'm glad that you're here.